Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing a no tools makeup challenge. Now this has been around YouTube for a while now, but I just decided to hop on. I apologize for the noise. That beeping noise is my fire alarm, and it just keeps going on and on, so I apologize if you do hear that throughout the video. But anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. If you want me to do more challenges like these or have anything that you would like to see from me, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Now my outfit, in case you guys are wondering, I actually got this from Romwe. I did a mini haul for you guys in my previous video. If you guys have not watched that video, I will go ahead and link it down in the description box below. But with that, let's get right into it. So before anything, I have been doing this one thing where I use a spritzer before, and this one is the Mario Badescu skincare, and this one is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So I just like to spray this on my face just to give my face a little uplift, I guess. And then going in with my Too Faced Hangover face primer. Just a little bit. It goes a long way. Hence the reason why I have a lot. So try not to use so much. And basically just put it on the pores. I'm low-key scared because if I do bad, I'm pretty sure you guys are not gonna like my videos anymore. But hopefully I can do this. Hopefully my nails actually help me out. I did go ahead and get my nails done like 6 days ago. So before anything, we're gonna start out with the eyebrows, just because I don't if I mess up, I'm gonna go ahead and clear it up anyway. So, and today I am gonna go for a full face. Kind of scary, but let's go ahead and try it. So before anything, I'm going to go in with my Anastacia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in the shade dark brown. As you guys know, if you guys have seen my videos, this is my go-to brow product. And of course, since I can't use my brushes, I'm going to have to use my fingers. So using just honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys in just a little so you guys can see what's going on. If you guys want to try this challenge, definitely get some acrylics before you do it. I think it'll make your life so much easier. Now I'm not left-handed, so for concealer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade medium. Now, of course, using the brush will be cheating for the little doe foot applicator. So again, just take your nail, and try to cut that brow. just going to, I might as well just add some on my eyelid. I'm gonna take the Too Faced I Want Candy palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set that concealer with the shade Banana right here. A transition color. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here called Pastry. These actually smell really good. Moving on. For the crease and for the outer corner, I'm going to go in with Raspberry Cocoa, and it's the one right here. For my eyelid, I'm actually going to take the shade Whipped Cream, and that's this one down here. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And then for the outer corner, I'm just going to take the color I'm going to take the color Hot Chocolate, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye. Fair enough. This is how my eyes are looking. For the inner corner, I'm actually going to take this shade called Frosted Pink. And I'm just going to apply this with my knuckle to the inner corner. I may have done too much, guys. Oh no. I'm using every finger that I have to kind of like make sure that this goes well. I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and for this I'm actually going to use this Maybelline NY Eyestudio eyeliner in the shade Charcoal. Alright, so we already primed our face, made sure that everything was okay. So I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover in the shade 308 Sun Beige. Going back in with my concealer. Take my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm just gonna set all that. For my blush, I'm actually going to take the Milani Blossom Time Rose powder blush, and this one's so pretty. Looks like a rose. Now for highlight, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this one is in the shade Crown of Canopy. I did not think about this before. I have to put on mascara, and I don't know how I'm supposed to. Oh, shoot. Oh. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes because, of course, it will not look that good if I didn't have some lashes. So I'll be back. Alright, so now it is time to pop on some lipstick, and then we will go ahead and finish off this video. So I think for this look, we are going to go with, I think we're going to go with the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Teddy. And yes, I know I'm not going to use my case. I'm not going to set my full face just because honestly I have nowhere to go. I'm not going anywhere. Let's be real. I'm gonna stay home after this, gonna take this off, watch some TV. So with that said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some laughs out of it with my face expressions and everything that I was saying. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye. Alright guys, I'm hungry. I just started and I'm actually really annoyed. I'm literally stressing out. Okay, on to the next brow. Holy shenanigans. Oh my god. The shades on this color,